Imagine a world where you can create content without showing your face, yet your audience can still connect with you. Welcome to the realm of 3D avatars. These digital representations are revolutionizing the content creation industry. They're helping creators generate stunning, immersive and interactive content like never before. From video marketing to live streaming, 3D avatars are the new game changers. They offer a unique blend of creativity, flexibility, and personalization. You can customize them to reflect your brand message or mood. Moreover, 3D avatars open doors to limitless possibilities. They can be any character in any setting, doing anything you envision. No more constraints of reality. In the burgeoning landscape of virtual influencers, 3D avatars are helping creators push boundaries and redefine storytelling. So, if you're a content creator looking to innovate, why not consider the power of 3D avatars? Dive into this digital frontier and watch your content come to life in ways you never imagined. Welcome to the future of content creation. Welcome to the world of 3D avatars.